create a customer or sales invoice on KashFlow. On left hand side there is sales invoices section, and we can click on button create here, or when you go from your dashboard, on top header section there is create a sales invoice. So if you have multiple customers, you can select from your drop down box one of those, or when you click on plus button you can actually add a new customer. So for example, I have Rachel. I can add email address and I can phone from this adding customer card. Click create. Let's select a date of my customer invoice date, and then at the bottom there is two options: add a line item that will show a price, and add comment that will not show a price and will not contribute to your total. So add line item. So for example, I have product canvas and I have sold 2, and also I have shipping at £25, and if you need to delete line, click on that cross, and if you need to add a comment, add it here, like agreement number or any other references what might need to be added to this invoice. So once you're happy with these details, you can also configure your pay online account if needed, so you can get paid faster. But if you're happy with this invoice, click save on right hand side at top, and this invoice has been created now. We can edit it, send to Dropbox. We can add a packing slip to add or put into box when we are sending out with our products to our customer. We can copy this, create another one, email out, print and delete. This invoice is in status of unpaid, but if this customer have already paid, we can add a payment. Either we can add that it's been paid in full, or if it's partial payment like a deposit, we can add only deposit amount here and click save. So this records deposit payment on under this invoice. Also we can add additional notes and add files, like if there is a contract or agreement or even remittance advice, that can be added here. So once we are happy with this invoice, we can email it out to our customers. So if we have an email address, for example, I will use my own. And click send. So this invoice has been sent out to customer. So once it's sent, it will show small envelope next to invoice number, and also it shows that it's part paid. So if we want to settle whole amount, click on that invoice, add payment, and it also only shows the amount that has been left outstanding for a payment. Click save and it records full payment there. So this is the way how you create an invoice, amend, print packing slip and distribute out to a client.